It's Hailey here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and tutorial on the brand new Rhode Pocket Blushes. I've done previous reviews on several products from the brand. I'll make sure to leave those down for you below if you want to check those out. I always get excited when there's a skincare brand. When they start venturing into makeup, I get excited because I do find these brands that are more skincare based and skincare focused to begin with come out with makeup products that really keep skincare in mind, and just I know they're going to give skin the most flattering, glowy, natural look, and I get so excited for that. So as soon as these came out, I had to try it out, order one so that I could do a review and tutorial for you. It's not that I don't have enough cream blushes. I absolutely do. But I just need to try it and tell you guys what I think. So it comes in this cute little box, cute little package. It's supposed to be obviously like little pocket size, which is adorable. It is infused with peptides, which the lip product, the lip peptide she has is as well. And peptides are very important in skincare. They really add a lot of nutrients to your skin. So this is actually doing good for your skin as you're wearing makeup, which I would expect from a skincare brand, but not all skincare brands actually put things in their makeup. So this one did. This has peptides in it, so I really appreciate that for long-term skin health. A flush of satiny buildable color that melts seamlessly onto skin. Apply with your finger or brush and tap onto cheeks. I got the shade Spicy Marg. The name obviously sold me kind of, but I was just thinking, I'm like, usually these corally shades aren't I go to for my skin tone and undertones, but I thought it was a fun name, and I thought it would kind of look like more of a sunburn makeup look, which in the summer I like to do my makeup just a little different than the rest of the year, so I thought this would be the perfect shade. I really love the packaging so far, just upon opening it at first. It has a cute little tab. I love that it's just a tiny little cap. I love that it all just looks identical. This will look so cute just sitting on your counter with your skincare. You can easily put it in a makeup bag or a travel bag. I love the little twist up. I haven't seen any product quite like this. I feel like a lot of thought went into the packaging, and I appreciate that. So you just turn it up a little bit, and then it's got this little button for application. It's kind of a orangey red shade, I would say. I think it's the perfect kind of shade for that sunburn makeup look. Really creamy to apply. It has quite a bit of pigment, and then I can tell just by applying it on my arm and hand, it buffs out really well. It's not super blendy and sheer, but it's not crazy pigmented like a liquid would be, but it does have that's quite a bit of pigment that stays on the skin. And then as I'm touching it, it's not buffing any more than that, like that's staying put. So it's definitely got some staying power to it, maybe a bit more than I thought it would. I already did my makeup for the day. The only thing I left out was the blush. I always wear a cream blush, so I do feel like my makeup is just missing something. I'm gonna use my finger to apply. Actually does look really natural on the skin, like a natural skin flush kind of color. And I do think this color would look good on every skin tone, to be honest with you. So I needed very little. You saw that. That was like 2 little placements. Blends in with my skin texture so well. So it just looks like glowy, healthy skin. The pigment is quite concentrated, but blends out really softly. You can do it with your finger. I honestly don't really need a brush. This is the Rare Beauty blush brush, which I love. It's my favorite. Just to soften the edges if you are more of a brush applier, but you really don't need it. I'm gonna add just a little bit to my nose because I love it. And this color I actually prefer. This is big news. I prefer this color, now looking at myself, to the other blushes I've tried that are more sunburny. I think this gives you the most sunburn type makeup look that I have come across, rather than the red, like the more reddy pink colors, because those sometimes just look too aggressive to me. This actually looks like your skin and you got some color in the sun. It looks so natural. The application is so easy, and I really think it would look good and flattering on all skin tones. Big news. I knew I was gonna love this, but I'm actually surprised at how much I love it and how easy it is to use. And I'm impressed by this formula. Rhode, Hailey Bieber, you did a great job on this product. So I'm really glad I purchased that one. You can add it to your eyes too for a little lid gloss color. And I love doing lid, cheek, and lip. where it's kind of a monochromatic look. If you don't want to wear much makeup, just grab one of these and just take this with you, add a little color here, and you're good. The quickest tutorial I've probably ever done because that product is so easy and quick to apply. That was like 30 seconds, I swear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this review on the new Rhode Pocket Blush. Make sure to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward. I post every single week here on YouTube. Don't forget to head over to Instagram as well and follow me over there at the same handle, at holl_ward. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.